Jamaica records 20 murders in the first 7 days of 2019.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Prime Minister Andrew Holness has reported that 20 people were murdered in the first 7 days of 2019. This is 25 fewer than the 45 homicides recorded in the first 7 days of 2018. Holness, quoting police statistics, said 11 of the murders so far recorded happened in Kingston and St. Andrew. A total of 1,287 persons were killed in Jamaica last year, a 21% decrease when compared with 2017. Holness revealed that the 1,287 murders recorded last year leave Jamaica with a homicide rate of approximately 47 per 100,000. This is almost 3 times higher than the average for Latin America and the Caribbean, which has the highest homicide rate globally of 16 murders for every 100,000 people in the population.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.